The journey of ERP systems is a tale of evolution, from clunky on-premise installations to the sleek cloud-based solutions of today. Initially, these systems demanded hefty investments and extensive IT support. But as technology advanced, so did ERP solutions, embracing the internet and cloud computing to offer unprecedented benefits. On-premise ERP systems are like the old family homestead, familiar but costly to maintain. Cloud ERP, on the other hand, is like a modern apartment. No need to fix the plumbing or mow the lawn, as the provider handles all the upkeep. This shift to the cloud has ushered in an era of cost savings, scalability, and flexibility. Out with the old, in with the new, as businesses are quickly discovering the allure of cloud ERP systems. They're ditching the upfront costs of hardware for a simple subscription model, enjoying the freedom to scale at will, and relishing in the automatic updates and maintenance that keep their operations smooth and secure. Embarking on a cloud ERP migration? It's not just about the technology, it's about strategy. Start by pinpointing your business needs, selecting a provider that understands your industry, and meticulously planning your move. Don't forget to train your team and keep a close eye on the system's performance post-migration. Cloud ERP isn't just for the big players. Small and medium-sized businesses, as well as those with teams spread across the globe, stand to gain the most from the flexibility and accessibility that cloud ERP systems offer. It's a level playing field where every business can compete with the best. Consider the Council for Advancement and Support of Education, CASE, which transformed its global operations with Acumatica's cloud ERP. Adam Rosenbaum, CASE's former Director of Information Systems, praised the system for its ability to streamline financial operations and foster collaboration across continents, all while ensuring data security and compliance. Looking ahead, cloud ERP systems are poised to become even smarter with AI and ML, more connected through IoT, and more versatile with enhanced mobile capabilities and blockchain integration. They're gearing up to offer even more industry-specific solutions, ensuring that businesses can stay ahead of the curve. Cloud ERP systems are not just a trend, they're the future of business operations. With their ability to cut costs, adapt to growth, and secure data, it's no wonder companies are flocking to the cloud. As we look to 2024 and beyond, the sky's the limit for what cloud ERP can achieve. Learn more,